wigs just have so much hair. Trying to put it behind your ear like is impossible. Just like a mound of fluffy hair. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kaylee. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I couldn't decide between wanting to do something very wearable for Valentine's and just doing something really fun and just like playing with makeup. And honestly, I think this is like just what I needed. This is the look that I came up with, kind of like an Instagram inspired, just really fun, bright pink Valentine's makeup look. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. So I'm gonna first do kind of a little bit more wearable without all of the pink all over my face and a more wearable lip and show you guys kind of how to do that look. And then I go back in and kind of play with it and just add a little bit more fun and kind of color to it and create this really fun Valentine's Day makeup look. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that red button right down below. Go ahead and subscribe before you leave. If you guys do like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, even if we're like halfway through the video and you're like, hey, this is kind of cool. Definitely be sure and give this video a thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. So if this sounds like your cup of tea and you'd like to see me do a fun kind of Valentine's Day transformation, then please keep watching and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so my hair is dirty and full of hairspray. We're looking real cute. I really just wanted to do like a Valentine's Day glow up, so this is probably gonna be like not a super wearable look, but I just wanted to like play with makeup today. So the hair is gonna look like this for the majority of the video until the very end. We're just gonna have to deal with it. I have this look in mind, like cutesy, pink, Valentine's Day. So I wanted to take myself on my worst hair day and transform into hopefully something resembling a human being. Not only a human being, but a cute human being for Valentine's. So maybe I'll make it wearable first and we'll just do like pink eyes and pink lips, and then I'll do pink on my face and faux freckles. So, as I'm sure you can tell, we've come to this video just extremely prepared, as always. So I think I'm just gonna do my eyebrows real quick off camera. I'm gonna prep my eyes using a little concealer, and then we'll come back and start the eyes. Okay, eyes are prepped and brows are done. This is the Morphe 15B Brunch Babe palette. So let's go ahead and start out with this color right here called Parfait. I do have a total review of this palette that I will link up in the eye for you guys if you have not seen that. Like, I don't really want this to be like where you have to spend a ton of time to get this kind of look. And I do want to keep the eyes like somewhat wearable. I mean, obviously if you're not like really into crazy bright eyeshadow, and not everybody is, then this is not going to be wearable for you per se. Running this color right through the crease. I'm going to bring it up kind of high. I just don't want this to be something that not everybody can achieve if they wanted to do it, you know? So I have a sparkle right here in my eyebrow, and where did that come from? It's a green sparkle. It doesn't go with the theme of today. Bringing it out just a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna switch over to, this is the Magic by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna go into this color right here called Kogi. Every time I go a while without using a Juvia's eyeshadow, I always forget just like how good they are. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH. And I think I'm gonna go into these two shades right here. I just wanna use my finger to kind of pack them onto my eyelid. Now I want to go into this Colourpop shade, and we're just gonna pop this on the lid. So this is the majority of the eye look done. Didn't take us super long. All right, so we're gonna put the eyes on hold. We will come back to them. I'm gonna put on my foundation. Can you guys see all of like the foundation and hairspray that's in my hair? All right, we're going back into Kogi from the Magic palette. Totally wearable. This is the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Kitten. Kind of want to put like a little bit of this in the inner corner here. Why do I hate this so bad right now? Definitely got glitter in my eye. I'm hoping that mascara and lashes will save this look. So I totally forgot that I had these, but these are the House of Lashes in the style Natalia. These just look very like long and flirty and pretty. So I'm gonna pop on some mascara and these lashes and then I'll be right back. I am not gonna lie, these lashes were so stiff and so hard to apply. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna bronze up my face as normal. Bronzer is definitely one of my favorite parts of makeup. I look so dead and lifeless without it. It just adds like so much. This is a little e.l.f. blush palette. And we're gonna go in with this light pink up here. I'm just gonna pop this on the cheeks. Okay, let's go in with a pink lip liner. This one is from NYX. To finish, I think we're just gonna put on a little bit of lip gloss here. And then I want to do a little bit of a pinker highlight. So this is the Spotlight Highlight Palette from BH. Stop moving my camera. I think I'm just gonna go in with this kind of pinky blush shade right here. TBH, this is a little bit dark on my super light skin. Maybe it's just in my mind. Okay, now that this has kind of like had a minute for me to get used to these eyes, I actually really kind of like the eyes. This, I always forget, this highlight palette is amazing. Now I'm gonna go get my wig. I'll be right back. When you do super bright pink makeup, it makes your light pink wig not look pink anymore. All right, so this is the completed kind of wearable makeup look for Valentine's Day. I actually really love the eye makeup. It was actually very quick and very simple to do. I feel very confident that anybody could do this eye makeup look. Not for everybody, but for some people, this look is definitely wearable. Overall, I'm actually really happy with it. I think it's very cute. Now, I think it would be really fun to kind of like kick it up a notch and make it like a little bit more avant-garde and like put some pink on my face. So we're gonna go back over to this one and go back in with this color here. And I'm just gonna kind of run this anywhere that like natural freckles would be, because then I want to do some freckles on top of it. Not a ton on the forehead, just a little bit. Okay, I think that actually looks really cute, and that's kind of what I was wanting, just like a light flush of the pink. I keep going back and forth between wanting to do like black freckles or pink, like brighter pink. I think I'm just gonna try to dip into this color right here from the BH palette with a really tiny little eyeliner brush. Freckles, oh, okay. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but okay, I think this might work. The foundation I used today is actually not like a very high coverage foundation at all, so you can actually a little bit kind of see my natural freckles today. I'm just like picking up a little bit and then kind of doing like a little swirl when I set it down. Honestly, the pink freckles kind of look like chicken pox. Now I'm just making a couple of the freckles a little bit darker and a little bit bigger. Okay, I still like this lip, but I feel like doing something a little bit extra is probably necessary. Let's pick up a little bit more of that blush. And just kind of fur it out around the mouth. let's go back in with the lip gloss. Looks very crazy, but I actually really love it. Kind of like that the center of the lips ties in with the color of the hair to kind of help bring it all in together. So very weird, but I actually really like it. All right, so I think we are done. This is the completed makeup look. I feel like I should be chewing like a huge wad of Bubblicious bubblegum right now and just like blowing bubbles. So what do you guys think of this look? It's a little bit crazy, but honestly, I really kind of like it. And this is really close to what I was envisioning in my mind. Just kind of something really fun and playful for Valentine's Day. And I like it. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Be sure and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week and an amazing Valentine's Day. And I will see you guys in my next video.